Respected dear family members, today we will be discussing and informing you about the defense-based achievements, projects and programs of India. Tuesday Defense Message. As we all know, India and neighboring countries are all getting trapped with the Chinese negatively ambitious project of expanding their area in South China, which has become a threat for Japan, Korea, Thailand, Vietnam, Burma and all other countries except Pakistan. Pakistan and China are collaborating for all the programs. That collaboration has become an additional threat for India. So India is taking all the advantages of building cooperation among the neighboring countries and also building a powerful army, air force and navy. When we listen about the achievements of Indian defense system, that is available in www.defensenews.in. It is Government of India's defense project, defense website. Excellent informations are available in defensenews.in. We are taking a few points from that and presenting it to you to feel the sense of pride that we are Indians and how India is marching forward in the defense system. And while reading all those things, we will get definitely a feeling of patriotism and nationalism, that our nation is not sleeping as it was done during the period of Sri A.K. Antony. As defense minister, India dragged back by 40 years. He did not do anything for the military or the defense of India except himself utilizing the facility of doing some surgery for himself. Almost India has become a useless nation to protect its boundaries. Now within the last 2 years, unprecedented way of development, both Make in India, Digital India and Developing India program, these defense systems are getting an extremely better, the best thrust in development. Point by point I shall read. Intercontinental Ballistic Missile, ICBM missile that will be launched shortly. The target distance of ICBM developed by India using indigenous facility can reach up to Beijing. Some minor problems were there. After solving that problem, it will be launched and the experiment will definitely be successful. India-Pak border security system will follow the same pattern as adopted by Israel in protecting their country. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited will build Hawk advanced jet training system for warfare, and 30 such systems will be procured and produced in India. US will be building a powerful strategic relationship with India. This is what the Democratic Party described in their election manifesto. They said India is the important Pacific power too. India will be providing many strategic weapons, torpedoes, missiles and Tejas flight to Vietnam. This include air, naval and land-based military products, including Tejas fighter, BrahMos missiles and Varunastra. Huge naval ship order has been given to Hindustan Shipyard. Hindustan Shipyard has made 20 crore rupees of profit this year. The huge order given to Hindustan Shipyard will be an additional thrust for making in India employment, business and also sales of the ship to other countries. 60 tons of nuclear fuel pellet will be reaching India from Russia. India was literally begging during Dr. Manmohan Singh's period for getting nuclear fuel. Now in the shortest period, 60 tons of the material will be reaching to Indian port. Army has selected 7.62 into 51 mm gun, which is known as higher killing probability gun, and it has got powerful stopping system also. That will be produced in India, one of the topmost gun anywhere available in the world, that will be made in India. John Kerry, spokesman of US, said the US will do everything to see India gets nuclear sales group membership, NSG membership. Next point, Punjab Army Regiment has raised new battalion to meet any challenges of China through Pakistan or Pakistan directly. First squadron of Tejas, 20 numbers of air fighters will be coming out by 2018. Due to MTCR, Missile Technology Transfer System membership for India, India can sell any number of missiles to any nations legally. But China has not got that membership, so they cannot sell any missiles legally to other countries. Jammu Kashmir Chief Minister sat with the Indian Home Minister for discussing the border security force problem in Jammu and Kashmir. Southern Naval Command, established in Kochi, is getting invigorated and most active branch of naval system, because it has to protect the southern border, ocean-based border of India. Vice Admiral Jonathan Ukuk has visited Kochi and extremely energization programs are taking place. BSF, Border Security Force of India, will be acquiring highest technologically worked sensors, underground mines, optical fiber cables, radars, electro-optic sensors and micro accessors for protecting the boundary of India from all the sides. India-Israel collaboration and the nuclear technology of India have been a headache, will become a serious headache for China. I think that China was thinking that India is still ruled by Dr. Manmohan Singh or Congress. But now India is ruled by a strong yogi, so that Indians, Indian boundary and Indian property, that will be protected with the mighty force of Indian military in collaboration with America, Russia, other countries, including Israel. Israel set a list of 3 Indian companies for making in India program for the production of major aerospace project, flights, fighters and so on. In India particularly giving focus to UAVs within 2 years, exclusively aiming at defense system. India could successfully test-fired surface-to-surface missiles jointly developed by Israel and India. Many such experiments were conducted, all were successful. Converged defense network for centralized handling of military system has been inaugurated by Defense Minister of India. Former Pakistan Foreign Minister has declared and firmly said that her name is Haina Rabbani. She told that Pakistanis were taught for hating the neighbors. Even Pakistan children, youngsters, they learn to hate the neighbors. That has become the headache for that country also. India became one among 8-member group to design and make heavyweight torpedoes. Russia said they will remain the best and the most strong friend and collaborator for all the defense-based requirement of India. DRDO has developed torpedoes which can be used in French-based submarines and also Russian submarines procured by India. So our torpedoes can be used from any type of submarines. Indian Air Force received 164 samples of lightning targeting pod. Whenever the light seen from the other side of the boundary, automatically firing will be taking place to that location and the enemy will be annihilated. This lightning targeting pod can be fixed with the Sukhoi Su-30 fighters also. Global aircraft engine manufacturers, Rolls-Royce, they will be investing millions of dollars in India for the immediate production of 500 flight engines, and all the engines will be coming by next year 2017 from Bangalore. Thus, Tuesday defense news given to you by Indian Institute of Scientific Heritage is over. Thank you very much. Pranams to you.